Hey guys, Jim here, working on the Elsinore 500 project. So if you saw in a previous video where I had the case halves already put together with the transmission, crank in place, all that, well, I forgot to put in a retainer that holds this bearing in place on the inside. Kind of a simple mistake, but had to split the cases to put that retainer back in. So I thought, well, since I have it apart, I might as well paint the case halves separately so that when I'm done putting the glue in the center, it'll have that nice gray bead around the motor. Kind of a nice touch for making it look authentic. And I thought also, while it's apart, why not take the extra step and do a little blueprinting. So what I got here is a fixture that is all dialed in to the milling machine table, and this rod here goes clear through the motor, and you have spacers like this where the outside diameter is the same outside diameter as the main bearings. So these go in place of the main bearings, and then you slide this rod through with these in place, and that makes the motor completely flat, at least as far as the line that the crankshaft goes through the bearing is totally flat. And then when you take a skim cut on the base gasket surface with this cutter here, then that'll assure that the base gasket surface is parallel to the crankshaft. And then the other side of the coin too is on the cylinder. I cut the base of the cylinder to make sure that the base of the cylinder was 90 degrees to the bore. So all that stuff is just to ensure that the piston's going to go straight up and down and everything's as true as it can be, and cuts down on drag and adds a little horsepower. So anyways, that's it. Talk to you later.